Hey guys, it's me Exotic Donkey here, and I'm back with another video in Quick Draw. Today I wanted to change it up a little bit since I normally do Roblox videos, but yeah. If you want more Innovation Lab videos, just comment down below in this video that you want more. And yeah, let's get started. Bench, okay. Da, 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 da.
I see line.
He sees a line.
Or street light.
A
Or
street.
rifle.
Okay, this is very bad.
Oh, I know, it's bench.
Okay, he got it. Okay. Let's do
I
this.
see line.
Another line.
I see fork.
Uh-oh.
Or string bean.
Okay, let's try that again.
I see line. I see river. Or string bean. Or garden hose. Or the Great Wall of China. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
The Mona
I see snake.
Lisa? Like, what the heck? You expect me to draw a Mona Lisa in under 20 seconds? Oh my, I'm dead. I'm dead in this one. Okay? Well, let's give it a shot.
I see golf club.
He sees
or
a
square.
golf club, okay.
Or suitcase.
A suitcase.
Or bread.
I mean, it
I
does
see
kind
pillow.
of look like a
Or
suitcase.
computer. Or picture frame. Or television. I see dresser. Or fireplace. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
That. Oh. I mean, we should have worked on the picture
I see
more
seesaw.
than the picture frame.
Or pillow. Oh,
Potato.
I know, it's potato.
Oh, he got it. Okay. Flower. Okay, let's see.
I see line.
Draw that.
Or knee. Or arm. Or key.
That and that.
Or fire hydrant.
Yeah,
oh,
there.
I know, it's flower.
Bracelet, okay. So
I see line.
That,
or potato. Or circle. Or pillow. Or goatee. I see van. Oh, I know, it's bracelet.
Yep, he got it. Okay, let's see what he thought the Mona was. A picture frame, yeah, that's close, but yeah, it is a picture frame, but it's the Mona Lisa, not a picture frame. Definitely not a jail, definitely not a calculator. Let's see, which one of these look the best? I kinda like this one. The face. Look at that. Okay. Let's look at the potato. A pillow. A watermelon. What kind of watermelon is that? What? How does that even look like a watermelon? That's weird. Okay. Potatoes. If I had to guess which one of these was a potato, I'd probably say this one. This one looks like a pear. Okay. What did he see for the bracelet? Pillow again? A dog? What the heck? Yeah, I like this one. Ooh, I like this one also. Okay, let's go back and try to play again. Should I draw eyeball? Yeah, probably. An eyeball.
I see diving board. Or potato. Or bread. Or donut. I see cookie. I see light bulb. Or binoculars. Or panda. Or washing machine. I see wheel. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Oh my god. Sorry I wasn't talking, I was concentrating.
I see line. Or snake.
Batman.
Or knife. Or screwdriver. or bird.
How's that a screwdriver?
I see crocodile. Oh, I know, it's bat.
Oh, he got it. Hammer, okay. Let's go like that.
I see line. Or
like
seesaw.
that, and then
Or
like,
bench. Or drill. Or spoon.
and
I
then
see
like,
dolphin. Or axe. Or
it's
marker.
definitely not an
Or eraser. Or frog.
How does he not
I
get
see
it?
bird. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
How does he not
Or
get
speedboat.
that? Come on. He's still guessing. Palm tree. Let's go.
I see moon. Or knee.
Oh no.
Or string bean. Or rake.
And then like that.
I see spoon.
That.
Or
that,
stitches.
That.
Or feather.
Now he
I
sees
see sword.
stitches.
I see baseball. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Yeah, that's too late though. Okay.
I see line.
Let's get a
Or leg.
spoon.
Or hockey stick. Oh, I know,
Yeah,
it's
he got
spoon.
it. It's spoon. Drag. Oh, how does he expect me to draw a dragon? Okay, I'll try my best.
I see line. Or river. Or spoon. Or snake. Or dolphin. I see drill. Or mustache. Oh, I know, it's dragon.
Okay, he thought. Okay, he got that. How does he not get a hammer? He thinks it's a frog. He thinks it's a dolphin. This dolphin even looks dead though. I don't know what's wrong with it. And what is this bird? Looks like a potato bird. I mean, this looks. I like this one actually. This one looks good. But how is this bad? Like, come on, seriously, he could definitely guess that. The palm tree could, yeah, it should be better. Probably that or something. But we ran out of time on that one. Okay, let's see what he saw in the eye. Bread, wheel. Wheel is circle, yeah, but nah, not close enough. Snail, Yeah, we should have just drawn like normal eyes instead of eyeball. Okay, bus. Should I draw a normal bus or no? Let's do a normal bus.
I see fork. Or matches.
Let's do the
Or
front
screwdriver. Or baseball bat. I see bread. Or piano. Or pickup truck. Or van. I see school bus. Or computer. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Really? He was close with the school bus, but not close enough. Donut. And that in the middle. And then we need to
I see bench. Oh, I know, it's donut.
Yeah, there we go. No sprinkles though. But okay. Sea turtle.
I see line. Or rifle. Or pillow. Or steak. Or bandage. I see bread. Or eraser. Or sleeping bag. Or helicopter.
He's not gonna
I
get
see
it.
speedboat. Sorry, I couldn't guess it. Or flying saucer.
Flying saucer? Really? Fire hydrant. Okay. Let's go
I see rainbow.
And like that.
Or triangle. Or mailbox.
Like that.
Oh, I know, it's fire hydrant.
Okay, he got it. And then
I see leg.
Oven.
Or line. Or pillow.
Like
or
that.
dishwasher. Or microwave.
Yeah, he got it.
I see picture frame.
Wait, what?
Or television.
What's the difference between a
I'm stumped.
microwave and oven?
I have no clue what you're drawing.
Oh my god.
Sorry,
What
I couldn't guess it.
Oh my god. Broom. Let's do that.
I see line.
And like that.
Or hockey stick.
Like that.
Or string bean. Or screwdriver. Oh, I know, it's
There we
broom.
go. He got the broom, he didn't get the sea turtle. Let's see other people's ones. Yeah, we should have drawn one like this. The one we drew is not the best. He thought it was a bracelet. I guess it does kind of look like a bracelet. Yeah, it does kind of look like a bracelet. Oven? Like seriously, he saw microwave, but he didn't see an oven. That's just scam. That's literal scam. Oh my god. Closest match microwave. Really? Like you did that? Come on. Who does that? The fire hydrant. Yeah, he got the fire hydrant. I was gonna draw something like this. Yeah. Okay. Well, the bus. Let's see. It thought it was a laptop. It does kind of look like a laptop, to be honest. Not a computer either, though. Yeah. A hamburger? No. Okay, come on. I was trying to make it look good, but it didn't work. Could look better. Does this say cool or cool? I don't know. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And also so you can watch two videos every week, and also join the Donkey Fan. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.